Police in Bangalore have arrested a man suspected to be behind the ISIS Twitter account. On your screens is the building in Bangalore from which the accused has now been formally arrested. This is a place in Peenya in Bangalore, and the arrest comes a day after a sensational revelation by UK's Channel 4 News that exposed this Bangalore-based marketing executive. The 24-year-old man behind the ISIS Twitter account at Shami Witness is Mehdi Masroor and works as an executive in a company in Bangalore. The police will reveal more details during a press conference, we are told. The Twitter account at Shami Witness has now been shut down. The blog pages continue to function. And headlines today is Pratibha Raman and Kamaljeet Kaur Sandhu now join me for more on the story. Kamal, you've been speaking to your sources in the Ministry of Home Affairs. What is the latest on this 24-year-old marketing executive, Mehdi Masroor?
Well, his arrest is shot in the arm for the investigative agencies. And remember, at this point of time, IB, RAW, NIA, as well as Karnataka police are questioning this young man. But obviously, this is an alarming position, remember, considering that this man was working at a Twitter handle for more than a year. This obviously is an alarming thing. And considering that ISIS and Al-Qaeda have the Indian subcontinent on their own radar, the fact remains that they believe that this boy, this man who was working at this IT company was somebody who was, as a matter of fact, inspiring foreign jihadists. They also believe that the cases against him can be booked under UAPA and Section 125 of the IPC. But the fact remains that he considered to be one of those motivators who were inspiring foreign jihadists.
Okay.
Sources also indicate that he did not really have a good impression of Indian Muslims who thought were not fit for the job of a jihadi, and that is why we see there were millions of people who were actually following him.
Stay with me for a moment, Pratibha. Stay with me. I want to bring in Pratibha Raman for more on this. Pratibha, was he working solo? Any links with ISIS? Is this a lone wolf? Was he a recruiter or just a propaganda man?
Well, at the outset, it seems like he was just a propaganda manager, but then more details are still awaited because the investigation or the interrogation is still on, and the police is holding a press conference in a short while from now to give us more details about this man and the kind of links that he had with the ISIS, and whether it could probably lead to many more leads that could be very crucial at this point of time is a big question right now, and the media is awaiting the kind of details that the police can share as of now.
Okay, so we will wait for that press conference and we'll come back to you for more. For the moment, many thanks for joining me.